Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. And today we are going to talk about how to clean a moldy wooden yard fence. This video will explore methods you need to use and everything you need to remove molds from your wooden yard fence. So make sure you stick around for that. Using a pressure washer. Since a wooden yard fence is delicate, it is best to use a low pressure washer for cleaning. You will need a pressure washer that has a strength between 1500 to 2000 psi for best results. You will also need to use a 25-degree tip so that you do not damage the fence. After fixing the pressure washer, stand at least 2 feet away from the fence and spread long strokes evenly on the wooden yard fence to remove the mold, ensuring that you only spray water on one spot for a short time to avoid damaging the fence. If the fence is still dirty, replace the 25-degree tip with an 18-degree tip. The added pressure from the new tip will clean all the remaining molds. Using a scrub brush. This method is best if your wooden yard fence is not too big. To start, mix some house bleach with 2 buckets of water. Carefully apply the solution to your wooden yard fence and leave it to sit for around 15 minutes. Using your scrub brush, scrub your fence to remove the molds. Rinse the fence with water. You can repeat this process as many times as you want until your fence is clean. Use a garden hose. To use a garden hose to clean mold from your wooden fence, you will need a cleaning solution like chlorine or vinegar and some water. You will also need protective gloves to protect your hands from any effects of the cleaning solution. When using this method, you will first need to spray water on the wooden yard fence for it to dampen. Then mix your cleaning solution with water and apply the solution evenly on the fence. Leave it to soak for a few minutes, then use your garden hose to rinse off the solution. This should remove any molds on your wooden fence. So there you have it. Cleaning a moldy wooden yard fence should be this easy. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to drop them below and like this video. Till next time.